Are you looking for the fastest way to build wealth, but can't decide whether to invest in stocks or real estate? These two powerful investment strategies have made millionaires. But which one will make you richer? In the next 10 minutes, I'll take you through a journey of financial history, reveal hidden risks, and help you decide where to put your hard-earned money. But be careful, your choice might surprise you, and it could change your future. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could make or break your path to financial freedom. Point 1. The promised context. Let's start with the history. Stocks have been around since the early 1600s, when the Dutch East India Company first issued shares of their company to the public. Since then, stock markets have become the backbone of the world's largest economies. It's easy to see why. Stocks are liquid, easy to buy, and over time, they've delivered consistent returns. But here's the catch: they're also volatile. Remember the 2008 financial crash? Stocks wiped out billions in wealth overnight. The risk is real. You can make a fortune, or you can lose it all. But then, there's real estate. Land ownership has been a symbol of wealth for centuries. From ancient empires to modern America, owning property meant power and stability. Unlike stocks, real estate is tangible. You can touch it, see it, live in it. And here's where excitement kicks in. Historically, real estate has been a hedge against inflation. When prices go up, so does the value of your property. But it's not all roses. Real estate requires large upfront costs. It's illiquid, and if the market crashes, like it did in 2008, you could be stuck with a property worth less than what you paid for it. So, which investment will make you richer? We'll get to that soon. But first, let's break down how each one works. Point 2. Comparison. Let's talk numbers. Stocks, over the long term, have historically returned an average of 7 to 10% per year. When adjusted for inflation, with just $100, you can buy into some of the world's most powerful companies. And with compounding interest, your money grows faster than you think. But the excitement of growth comes with risk. Stocks can swing wildly based on market sentiment. Are you ready to handle a 30% drop in your portfolio overnight? On the other hand, real estate offers a different kind of wealth-building strategy. With real estate, you can leverage debt. You borrow money to buy property, and as your tenants pay rent, they essentially help you pay off your mortgage. Over time, your equity grows, and you own a tangible asset. But, of course, with great leverage comes great responsibility. A vacant property or unexpected repairs can quickly eat into your profits. Which leads us to the big question: what's the safer bet for your future? We're about to uncover that. Point 3. The verdict call to action. So which investment wins, stocks or real estate? The answer isn't black and white. If you crave flexibility, low upfront costs, and can stomach the volatility, stocks might be your ticket to wealth. The potential for rapid growth is there, especially for younger investors, but the fear of market crashes should keep you on your toes. If you prefer stability, tangible assets, and are ready for a long-term game with upfront costs, real estate might be your path. Historically, real estate has been more predictable, but it's not without its headaches. Tenants, maintenance, and market downturns can all strike when you least expect it. The truth is, the best strategy could be both. Diversifying your investments, balancing stocks and real estate, might be the key to building sustainable wealth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The power of diversification has created some of the wealthiest individuals in history. But if you had to choose only one, which would it be? I'll leave that decision to you. Drop your choice in the comments below, and let's see where the community stands. The world of investing is filled with excitement, uncertainty, and endless potential. But remember, every decision you make will shape your financial future. Whether you choose stocks, real estate, or both, make sure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. You won't want to miss our next video, where I reveal the most common investing mistakes and how you can avoid them. Trust me, you won't want to make these costly errors. See you in the next one.